we are back with number 2 of our 3-meal series from Every Plate. If you haven't seen our first video, we cooked panko chicken, and I will link that video in the description box so you guys can check that out. Tonight's meal is pork and pineapple tacos.
Yeah, I'm excited about this. Now, the first meal was actually really good, and at $5 a plate, it was actually pretty economical if the food was a little light on the whole, I don't know, food portion.
They were smaller portions, but not, I was mostly full afterwards.
Yeah, it was...
Left room for dessert.
Yeah, exactly.
But I wasn't hungry.
No, I think it was totally fine. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited at least about the pork part. I don't know about the... Actually, pork and pineapple tacos with pickled veggies and lime crema.
Okay, prep time 10 minutes, ready in 30.
All right, step 1, wash and, do you have a custom plate? No, we don't. Okay. Wash and dry all produce. Zest and quarter your lime. Wait, what extra stuff do we need? What do we need? We got a pineapple cup. We got 1 children's pineapple cup.
I have a washed jalapeno.
1 garlic. What happened to the garlic?
Oh, the garlic's in the banana bowl.
I don't know that these qualify as bananas anymore, but...
They're for muffins.
1 clove or 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, we've realized that the little pipe symbol means either if you've gotten 1 or 2, or I'm sorry, 2 or 4 servings.
Right.
Okay, so 1 clove of garlic, 1, not 2 red onions. I'm not putting that whole red onion. What do we do with red onions?
We usually have
it.
Have
the onions, no matter what they say.
Giant onion people.
1 ground pork, 1 jalapeno. Man, you don't even get a second jalapeno if you've got the 4 servings. This is enough. You don't need any more jalapeno than this. 1 tortilla, 1 Southwest spice blend. Ingredients: garlic, cumin, and chili powder.
Actually, there's 6 tortillas in here.
You want to zest? I'll get the garlic?
Yes. Oh, there's a tip here. Save the juice of the pineapples. Save the juice for adding to cocktails or smoothies.
That seems like a lot of forward-thinking effort for the middle of a pandemic.
We should have a pineapple cocktail.
Right.
How much lime zest do you want in your crema?
Medium amount of lime zest. If you feel like you're going crazy with the lime zest, you're probably right. So I appreciate all of the tips and tricks for cutting garlic from the last video that you sent to me on Twitter. However, I inadvertently gave you the wrong contact information. I apologize. It's actually rosieodonnell@icloud.net. So if you could just send it there,
oh my God,
I would very much appreciate it.
Okay, so this is just waiting for a pinch of garlic. Combine sliced jalapeno, 1/3 cup onion.
So I don't need the rest of this garlic, right? I can toss this?
I suppose so.
Okay. You want thin slices? You want ramen noodle?
Ramen noodle slices, yeah, if you could do that. I don't know what that means.
Really thin slices.
Oh, I see. No, I don't care, just,
By the way, today I watched a cooking video of some guy who makes sausages out of clam chowder, and that video had like hundreds of thousands of views. So we're screwing up somewhere. I think that this is...
We're just not weird enough, I think.
I think that's the problem. I could fix that. All right, I think this is enough. You want
Put it on
No.
there.
We'll do it all. We'll do it all.
I don't actually know how I'm supposed to be cutting up this onion. What did it say? Have, peel, and thinly slice onion. Okay, well, I'm doing it wrong.
Right. All right, I'll grab the induction cooker.
Okie doke. Squeeze of lime. What else goes in this bowl? The jalapeno, right?
What do we got? Thinly slice half jalapeno into rounds, removing ribs and seeds if you prefer less heat. Wusses. Slice whole jalapeno for 4 servings. Oh, well, whatever.
Whatever.
Have, peel, and thinly slice onion. Done. Drain pineapple. Save juice for adding the contact. Do you have like a little...
Okay, this will be my cocktail cup. Sliced jalapeno. I already squeezed the lime.
Half a teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt and pepper. You want to grab the salt and pepper?
I got the salt and pepper. Okay.
That's it. All right, let's do it. What do we got?
Set this
Okay,
aside.
heat a large drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add remaining onion and a pinch of salt and pepper. All right, let's throw the pork on.
Okay. All right, ready?
Do it.
It's like spam.
And then we'll stir in pineapple and remaining garlic.
Oh, the remaining garlic! Damn it, we should have read the rest of the recipe. Here, I'll cut up some more. Okay, my makeshift pineapple margarita.
Frothy.
Just the way I like it.
Let's do this.
It's good.
All right.
Okay.
So.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well, half mine's gone, man. You were gone for a while getting a new battery. So what do you think of it?
Hold on.
All right, I'll tell you what I thought of it.
Okay, tell me.
It needs more flavor. I don't know how. We threw like 12 different flavors in here, and I still think it needs more flavor. And I've been putting like the whole chunks of jalapeno in there, and it's not spicy at all.
No, jalapenos are funny that way. Sometimes they're spicy and sometimes they're not.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
you're
so I
right,
think
it doesn't have a lot of flavor.
It's fine. Like, it's a fine taco. It's just not like, because I thought, oh my God, like there's jalapenos and onions and all this stuff and the Southwest stuff. Like, there's just a ton of stuff. And I thought, oh, this is going to be overpowering. And it's not. I mean, you're putting salt on yours, which is weird. I've never seen you put salt on a taco before.
I know. Well, you know, I've never had such a bland taco.
That's what I'm saying. And I don't know how it's so bland. Results, not bad.
Not the best either, though. That's good. I made it with pisco.
So, it was really good. This is still a meal box, a drippy meal box worth getting, just maybe not the tacos. But the other meal was great. The panko chicken was pretty good. I mean, that was actually really good.
You know what?
Huh.
I think I got the tacos for next week, too.
Oh, motherfucker.
I didn't know!
All right, well, that's fine. You know what we're going to do? We're going to modify the hell out of them. We're going to add stuff until they taste better.
I mean, it's a different recipe, but yeah. This seemed like it was going to be really good.
Yeah. No, we know. And knowing is not enough.
I'm still going to eat it.
Oh, yeah, no, it's still dinner. Like I said, it's not a bad taco. It's just not what I was expecting for all of those different ingredients. You're going to add something. What do you got? Tell me. You know, hot, how about...
Del Scorcho?
Fuck.
Del Scorcho fixes everything.
Yeah, can I have half of that? Actually, don't we just have some, like some tapatio or something like that?
Oh, Del Scorcho.
It's not tapatio.
That's better.
So add hot sauce, and then you're fine. Easy.
Mm-hmm. That's all. It was just missing hot sauce.
Excellent.
I've never had a taco without hot sauce.
Right?
Okay. So definitely check out the description box for the link from our first video and all of the information about every plate. All of that stuff will be in the description box. We will also have a third video, shepherd's pie, steak
Yes.
shepherd's pie, I think.
Some type of shepherd's pie.
That'll be fun. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.